Hello, my friends. Guess what? It is Fold It Club time. And you know what? This one is absolutely, positively adorable. The best part about it, though, is how versatile it is. And I'm going to show you how versatile this set can be. Now, what is it, right? Let's show you. It is called the Food Cart Fold It. And let me just tell you, I had so much fun designing this because there are so many different ways you can do it. Let me just flip this over and give you an idea. So for example, the word treats, optional. You don't have to keep that in there, right? Then you're getting a pretzel, you're getting an ice cream, you're getting an extra wheel, you're getting a corn dog. What kind of food stand are you gonna make? Now, I have lots of fun samples to show you. Of course, my club members are getting a handy dandy little envelope, a handy dandy postcard to show you some ideas. And of course, you know, there's tons of ideas in our online gallery. In fact, you can even upload your favorite ones that you make. Now, here's what we're gonna look at. We are gonna look at the awesome stencils. Somebody told me the other day, you should call it the Fold It and Stencil Club because yes, you were getting 2 stencils, 5x7 in size in every shipment automatically, right? Now this one is fun because it's a fun pretzel background, which, you know, who doesn't like warm pretzels? But also you are getting this one. And at first you're, what? It is a skyline. So there's 2 different things here. First, we have kind of like these buildings to be the skyline, but we also have this fun little road or brick, you know, kind of like a brick road or just kind of a cobblestone road. And let me show you the samples on that one because let me just tell you, they are so fun. So here we go. You can see that background. We have our little cobblestones. We have our buildings in the background. And then we have our food cart. Ugh. And look how cute. We have our little pretzels. We even have pretzels in the background, stenciled. Open it up. Happy, happy birthday. Isn't that adorable? Now here's another one using the stencil also. Again, you see the stencil in the back with different color cobblestones. We have a cute little sun added on this one. There's our skyline and there's our yummy, yummy treats. Now the fun thing about this one, and remember how I said there's lots of different ways you could do this. Here's an example that Yvette did. It's more muted colors, it's more antique-y looking, it's absolutely stunningly beautiful. So if that's your style, boom, I have you covered. If your style is more like Stephanie's, where you're all into the pinks and the glitter and the foil and the holograms and all of that, boom, there's your style, right? Now, if you're like my Miller, who is 4 and loves to make cards, this is his favorite choice. Are you ready? This one won, and we've even done this new thing now where we say he gets to put a sticker on the back of his favorites. So this is his favorite. Are you ready? This was Miller's favorite. And isn't it adorable? And I asked him, why did you pick this one? And he said, because it has a lot of ice creams. And apparently he wanted some ice creams that day. So this was Miller's favorite. So, oh, Michelle, you won Miller's favorite this time. He loves it. He goes, do another one, Nana, do another one. Here's a cute one. Look at this. Pretzels, hot dogs. Look at how fun that is. Open it up. Happy birthday. Oh, and you can even add those little ice creams on the inside. Also, my friends, you could even add the ice creams or the corn dog or the pretzel on the back when you stamp your personalized stamp on the back. Here's another one. Look at, oh, and we haven't even talked about the awnings. So here we have the awning, and the awning's really fun because you can make it any color you want. You can do it all solid. You can do it, this is the way I would do it if I was doing it, 2 different colors, pinks. Here's another 2 different colors. Again, here's another one, 2 different colors with opposite bottoms. And here's another one, 2 different colors, but adding also the plaid paper. So here we go on this. Now, another thing to note, see that little extra wheel down there? When I was designing this, I sent it to Dean and I said, with the wheel or without the wheel? We went back and forth, back and forth. Do you want the wheel in the front or do you want it to be like a little peg so they can stand? And then we came up with the idea, let's do both, right? When in doubt, do both. So you're getting, this is the way it originally comes. And if you want to add the wheel, boom, you have the wheel to add. So now you get to choose, you have more options, which is really fun. Again, the treats stays in or it can also be cut out. Lots of options on this one. Now, my friends, here's the deal. If you are not in the Fold It Club, you can't buy this. You can't buy this. This is exclusive to the Fold It Club. This die set and stencil set are exclusive to the Fold It Club set. Fold It Club. So if you sign up this month, you will be able to get this one. If you sign up next month, you won't be able to get this. So as long as you're in the Fold It Club this month, boom, you can get this one. Make sure you sign up now ASAP, because if we run out, we're gonna run out. We can't order more, right? Make sure you sign up as fast as possible so you get this set and all future sets that are all exclusive to the Fold It Club. Also, club members, you get a 15% discount, or if you're in more than one club, 20% discount on our entire website every single day, every single item, every single order. Is that just your first order? No, it's every order. As long as you're a club member, you get that discount. You also earn club points. You also get to do the flash sales, which everyone gets to do the flash sales, but you get the flash sale price and then the club discount on top of that. So you get to double dip and triple dip on those discounts. And if you stay in a full year on your anniversary month, you get a $15 gift certificate to our website, just as our little way of saying happy anniversary and thank you. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Join the Fold It Club if you're not in, because you know what? Once it's gone, it's gone. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. you so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.